Today, we're going to show you how to change your Brita water filter. The first step is to remove your old water filter. To do that, you'll notice there are two tabs located on the back of the housing of the filter. Simply push up and you'll notice that this whole top portion removes itself from the pitcher. Now to get into the tank where the water filter is held, there's one more top piece that you need to remove. Simply push up on those same two tabs and then it will pop right off. It's going to be a little tricky, but just push it and then the top portion will come off, and then you can see our filter is right in there. To remove the filter, simply grab that top piece and pull it right out. Okay, you're now ready for your new filter. The new filter, I would recommend running it underwater for about 15 to 20 seconds. This is going to allow it to flush out any debris that might be inside there from the manufacturing process. It's also good just to get water going through it before you start consuming it. Okay, now that our filter is washed, we're going to put it back into the housing tank. You'll notice that there's a little divot here, and then looking inside where the filter is housed, there's going to be one little section of the cross that is a little bit wider and thicker than the other sections. You want that to line up with the divot that is on your filter. So once you see the two, match it up and then just simply slide it into place, give it a firm little push, and you're all good to go there. The only thing left to do at this point is now to reassemble your tank. So grab the top, and then this is real easy. It just pops right back on. There's no latches or anything. It'll just click into place. Might take a few tries, but once you get it, it locks, it snaps together, and you know it's in. Then you just put it back on top of your pitcher, and then you have your Brita water filter all good to go. And that is how you replace a Brita water filter. Thanks for watching.